You have probably seen these insanely realistic ads flooding in your feed lately. Luxury watches, Tesla launches, and even wild food commercials. And guess what? Every single one of them is created with one AI model, Veo 3. And here's the crazy part. You don't need production crew, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars, you just need a single prompt. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to create your own high quality ads with Veo 3. From writing perfect JSON prompts to getting cinematic shots that look like they straight come out of Hollywood. So let's get started and make your first Veo 3 viral ad. You guys just had to follow some steps. Step number 1 is going to create your own JSON prompt. And good news for you guys, because you have clicked on my videos and hopefully subscribed to my channel and like this video, I'll give you free JSON prompt template that you can directly paste into ChatGPT and give your theme to ChatGPT on your viral ad, and it will give you your own custom made JSON prompt. Now let's see how to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is go to ChatGPT, and I have provided you the JSON prompt. Paste the JSON prompt that I have given you into ChatGPT. After pasting the JSON prompt in ChatGPT, just write the product name, the theme of your product, and what you are going to show in your AI ad. And this has to be the most crucial detail in your JSON prompting. The detail, the effects, the camera movements that are going to be in your viral AI video. Now you will get a JSON prompt from the ChatGPT itself that you can just easily copy, and your first step is done here. That was just easy. Now you have actually done 80% of your work, like literally 80% of your AI ad work is done. Now let's go to the second step, and this is going to be the final step of this video. Yeah, this is just as easy as that. Now the second step is going to be very easy. You just had to make your own AI video. For that, you have to go onto this website that I will link in the description. It's Flow from Google Veo 3. It's official Google Veo 3 website where you can actually create these AI ads. You will see an option, new project. Now in the prompt box, you just had to paste your JSON prompt that you got from ChatGPT, and if you click on this option Veo 3 Fast, you'll see two options, outputs per prompt and model option. Now in output per prompt, you can actually select any output you want in one go. But keep in mind, for generating one AI video, Google will take 20 credits from your AI credits. Now for the model, you have to select Veo 3 Fast. So guys, here our video is actually getting generated, and the thing is that I prompted this for a product called Dabur Honey in India. So yeah, so this is going to be a scene set in Himalayas, and Dabur Honey product will be placed upon some log, and then the camera will zoom in out. That's how I prompted ChatGPT to do. So let's see the results. So it has given me two outputs. Let's see the first output, guys. So guys, as you can see, it's not on the log that I mentioned, but yeah, it's on the stone, by the way. But you can actually see the name of the product and the actual honey jar is quite similar from the original one. I'm pretty impressed with my first prompting AI model. Let's watch the second video, guys. So this was the first example that I prompted to Veo 3, and I'm pretty impressed. Let's watch the second example. Great, it's also great. The thing is, second video I like more because it just straight up go, and from behind you can actually see that product is placed there, so it's just a zoom out. Alright, so guys, now here I'm actually giving ChatGPT to generate a new prompt for Titan watch. So Titan is also a big brand and it has some great watches. Let's see how Veo 3 will generate videos for Titan. The Titan logo just came out and it just transformed. The Titan logo transformed into their watch. Guys, this video was insane. So in this example, it just came like in circular motion. All right. So yeah, this was also pretty cool, man. I like all of the generations. Now you have actually seen how you can create viral ads with VO3, and here are some more examples that you can actually create with VO3. But wait guys, don't leave this video right now, because I am going to give you a present, a free gift from my side that I'll show you in the end of the video.
Build the world in your hands.
Alright guys, so I think now you have seen some cool implementations of this VO3 JSON prompting. You can actually do normal prompting, but why JSON prompting is better? Because it gives a lot of details. It's a very in-detailed prompt for VO3 and other AI models. So yeah, now about the free gift that I promised you guys. So I'm giving you a Google Doc link in my description where you can actually access all the prompts of the videos of the AI ads that you just saw in the examples. You'll get all real prompts on which they are actually made. You can put those prompts in ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT to just replace it with my product, or maybe you gave an image to ChatGPT and it might manipulate the prompt like that. You got my point what to do. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and watched till far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.